One of the questions I get asked all the time is, how much profit should a law firm make? The short answer to that question is, it depends. But I want you to understand what it depends on and give you some guidance in this area. Your stage of growth is broken into two components. There's the actual stage that you're in. Are you a solo? Do you have one attorney? Do you have three attorneys? The other piece of the puzzle is, are you in a mode of growth or a mode of scale, which is based on our law firm growth formula. Because when you're in a mode of scale, you might increase your expenses temporarily to create more capacity in your law firm. But ultimately, at that stage, you'll fill that capacity and arrive at a certain profitability. So when I'm being interviewed on a podcast or somebody's having a conversation with me, they say, okay, Moshe, get to the point. What is the target percentage allocation, right? What's my profit margin? And the key is 35 to 50%, depending on the stage that you're in. And I'm not going to delineate the specifics here, but if you're under 35%, you have room for improvement. If you're over 50%, you're probably leaving growth on the table, meaning you have extra money to deploy that you should be spending on increasing your business, scaling your business, making it even better, bigger and better. Hold it right there. Nobody's talking about profit except for me. So if you want more videos like this one, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you get notified when we release new content. Now you might be sitting there saying, I've been doing business for a long time and there's no way I'm going to get to 35 or to 50% profit margin. And I can tell you, we have a podcast interview with Becky Torres, one of our clients, who talks about the flip from negative profitability to a 38% profit margin. Everyone can do this. But it requires you to view your business differently. You need to take a top-down approach of your business and reevaluate every piece of the business model. In other words, how much am I charging? Where are my clients coming from? Who am I serving? Am I specific enough with the niche that I'm working with? All of these questions are questions that you will answer if you go through our law firm growth formula. Our law firm growth formula sets up the stages of business growth and takes you through the planning process and making sure that you're targeting the right target percentage in the plan before you actually execute within your business. And if you want us to work side by side with you, going through the law firm growth formula and supporting you in driving your profit margin to the 35 to 50% range, I invite you to check out our Elite program, where we support attorneys like you in achieving this result. You can check it out at profitwithlaw.com/elite.